In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export board lists to CSV with the board export power-up. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the power-up, wait through the setup, and export the data you need. First, go to your boards and open the board you want to work with. On the right side of the board, find the power-ups panel. Open it, then choose the option to add power-ups. In the search bar that appears, type board export. When you see the board export option, select it and click add. Some setups ask for a second confirmation, so click add again if prompted. Now pause for a moment and let the power upload. This part can take longer than you expect, especially on larger boards or slower connections, so don't worry if it isn't instant. When the interface shows a next button, click next and wait again while it finishes preparing. If a prompt appears, such as an on-screen button or card from the power-up, click it to continue. You may see the loading spinner a few more times. Just wait for it to finish each stage so everything initializes correctly. Once the power-up is ready, locate and click Board Export in the Power-Ups area. Give it another moment to load its options. When the export panel appears, click Export. You'll typically be asked what you want to export. Choose the option that fits your goal. For lists specifically, select Export Lists. At this point, you'll be able to choose the format. Pick CSV if you plan to open the file in a spreadsheet tool like Excel, Google Sheets, or any app that supports comma-separated values. CSV is a flexible format and great for sorting, filtering, or sharing. Next, choose the fields you want to include. For example, you might select fields like list names, card titles, descriptions, due dates, labels, or assigned members. Only the fields you pick will appear in the final file. Keeping the selection focused makes the export easier to read and faster to process. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Export. Depending on the size of your board, this can take a bit of time. Be patient and let it complete without navigating away. When it's done, your file will be ready to download and use. That's the whole process. Open your board, add the board export power up, wait for it to fully load, select the export options, choose CSV, pick your fields, and finalize the export. If anything takes longer than expected, simply wait. It's normal during setup and